Planning a cruise trip to Cozumel, Mexico? Wondering what to do there? Cozumel, a dazzling jewel nestled in the Caribbean Sea, sits off the eastern coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. It's not just any island, but a paradise that has captured the hearts of cruise travelers worldwide. Renowned for its scuba diving and snorkeling opportunities, Cozumel's beaches are a sight to behold. Its popularity isn't just a fluke, it's a testament to its charm. In this video, we will share a list of top activities to do in Cozumel, Mexico. Cozumel boasts a rich variety of activities for every type of traveler. First off, one cannot visit Cozumel without dipping into its pristine waters for some scuba diving or snorkeling. The Palancar Reef, a world-renowned diving spot, will leave you breathless with its vibrant marina life and clear turquoise waters. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-time snorkeler, exploring this underwater wonderland is an absolute must. But Cozumel isn't just about underwater adventures. If you're a history buff, then a trip to the San Gervasio Mayan ruins will be right up your alley. These ruins are a testament to the island's rich cultural heritage, offering a glimpse into the ancient Mayan civilization that once thrived here. For those of you who enjoy unique experiences, consider exploring the Cozumel Pearl Farm. This family-run business is the only pearl farm in the Caribbean, and a visit here will give you a fascinating insight into the intricate process of pearl farming. You might even find a beautiful pearl to take home as a souvenir. Next on our list is the Cozumel Reefs National Park, a protected area that showcases the island's diverse marine ecosystems. From snorkeling among vibrant coral reefs to spotting rare sea turtles, this park offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature. If you're traveling with kids, a visit to the Chankanub Adventure Beach Park is a must. With its zip lines, sea lion shows, and dolphin encounters, it's a paradise for the young and young at heart. The Punta Sur Eco Beach Park is another must-see. It's a sprawling nature reserve where you can spot exotic wildlife, explore a lighthouse, or simply relax on beautiful sandy beaches. And finally, don't forget to explore the local markets for some shopping. You'll find everything from traditional crafts to unique souvenirs, perfect for remembering your time in Cozumel. These are just a few of the many activities that you can enjoy in Cozumel. Cozumel, Mexico is a vibrant island full of exciting activities and rich culture. Let's recap. You've got adrenaline-pumping activities like scuba diving and snorkeling in the azure waters, immersing yourself in the marine spectacle. For those drawn to history, you can lose yourself in the ancient Mayan ruins or savor the local flavors at bustling markets. The beauty of Cozumel is in its diversity. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a history buff, Cozumel has something for everyone. So the next time you're planning a cruise trip, make sure Cozumel is on your itinerary.